I associate vaginal dryness with being sore and burning after having a relationship.
It's sore, it's there constantly on my mind. Also, it's itchy. It's not a very nice experience to have.
You can actually feel a tightness inside.
Painful sex.
Kills all spontaneity.
I didn't even know that you get vaginal dryness if you went through the menopause. I did not have a clue.
There's no lubricant there, there's no sensation as such.
I knew from jokes on the telly and various innuendos over the years that older people didn't have sex anyway, so it didn't matter. But it does matter.
Having a younger husband who, sexually active, that also, it doesn't help with the psychological part of it, because I feel that I'm failing as a woman. To me, it's not a taboo, but to a lot of women, it's still a taboo and they won't talk about it, and I wish they did.
I am actually quite surprised.
That's quite a shock.
Honestly, I did not know.
I didn't know that it was that high.
I was not aware it was a progressive condition.
Like anything that goes wrong in the body, I think there's a lot of silence. Maybe if we're more direct about problems, people will smile a bit more and think, do you know what? I'm not the only one going through this.
If there was a treatment out there, I would take it.
It would mean so much. It would mean that I could wear the clothes I want to wear. It would mean that I could have sexual intercourse with my husband without feeling that I'm not a woman enough. Oh, it'd be wonderful.